igen. Mads! Kom nu!
Ja, det er start.
Vi laver sådan noget helt specielt, sådan alle sammen kommer ud derfra, fordi man kan jo ikke se os derude, ikke? Der er sådan lys, så vi kommer sådan ud på lyset, så kommer vi ind. Ja,
Outer space music shit, this that shit right here. Taking it back on these niggas. It ain't shit. It's the north side, we in the danger zone. Behold the detonator, cause the range is long. This is my part of town, man, what you don't know. Dog, we rule the crown, using up for show. It's an open field attack, I'ma stack my dough. I know that she ride the pony, man, your wife a hoe. Come on, I'll go off, that's how I start my chant. Call Jimmy Crack Corn, bitch, cause you can't dance. I'm the greatest man alive, cold rock in the world. The most hated man alive, so hot, so thorough. Man, I'm cocky, absurd, like Rocky with the verb. I go to Paris with a parrot that repeat my every word.
Yo, this is Spanish fly, you couldn't manage time. You wanna damage mine with an average rhyme. I am a savage line, I roll with lavish dimes. You better act in line or I'ma smash your mind. You can't adapt to pain, I am the wrath of Cain. I am crack cocaine that made the 80s change. You say you waved them things and that you claim the fame. So I'ma stain your brain and make you say my name.
I wanna know, let me know
if y'all feel
our pain.
It's so real, so real.
I wanna know,
let us know,
let us know.
Come on.
Let us know, I wanna know, let me know
if y'all feel
our pain.
It's so real, so real.
I wanna know,
let us know,
let us know.
Come on.
I want to know, I want to know.
Yo, my whole clique disturbed, we will split you heard. You ain't flip no birds, you paint pictures nerd. Watch how I spit these words, see I can shift these verbs. I can lift the earth, you been a bitch since birth. You should change your tone when you away from home. You in space's zone, you wanna chase the throne. You wanna say you hove, well I'ma break that mold. I can't relate to those who think they great as gold. We came to get it live, you better step aside. We won't let it ride, you best protect your life. You wanna jeopardize, we won't let it slide. We make heads collide, I got the reddest eyes.
My style unorthodox, I got a torture plot. See me scorch the block, dog, I'm boiling hot. I lock it down, this hip-hop profound. The best pound for pound, you know how I gets down. B-L-A-N-E-T-A-R. Why? Cause you know I amaze y'all. Drop from a major now, you wanna show off? We'll calm that shit down before I go off. I wanna know, let me know
if y'all feel
our pain.
It's so real, so real.
I wanna know,
let us know,
let us know.
Come on.
I want to know,
let us know, I wanna know, let me know
if y'all feel
our pain.
It's so real, so real.
I wanna know,
let us know.